equity fund the same thing as a mutual fund? No, and yes. I would explain. Welcome to episode 2 of Mutual Funds Broken Down, where we talk about everything you need to know about mutual fund before you start investing in it. Remember in episode 1 where we talked about mutual fund as the pool of funds that is managed by professional fund managers. One thing we didn't break down in that video is that mutual fund is not just one investment. Mutual fund is like a family of investments where we have all these other funds, and one of these funds is always paying into the equity fund. Equity fund is a type of mutual fund that invests a large portion of their fund in stocks, which is owning small portions of big companies, and then a little portion of it in low risk. And the same way the stock market experiences highs and lows, equity fund also experiences that. So it has the potential of high returns and it is also high risk. So it's a very good place to put your money if you're thinking long term. For example, as at the time that I'm recording this video, Afro-Invest Equity Fund has done 37.99% year-to-date return. So say, for example, you had invested ₦1 million in January, you have like 1.37 million at the moment. Would you be surprised if I told you that that same fund did 50.81% at the end of May? That's how volatile it can be. Does this mean that every month or every year looks like for equity fund? No. Some years are variable, some years are not as expected. But if you're able to invest in it for the long term, your money would be able to go through the highs and lows of the markets and balance out and make you that money that you're actually looking for in the equity funds market. So remember the question at the beginning. We see every equity fund is a mutual fund, but not all mutual funds are equity funds. Now I know you're thinking, like this is sounding risky. Is there nothing for that is not risky, that my capital is safe? Don't worry, I got you. We'll be talking about the kind of mutual fund that would be good for your short-term investments and where you can also put your emergency funds in the next episode. So now if this main thing is clear for you about the equity fund, save this video already and share with a friend. And if you're not following me already, click the follow button so you don't miss the next episode. I am Ladi, your finance buddy, and what are friends for if we don't have money conversations like this.